How to fix Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet. So if you're facing this error, the error is quite straightforward that you have a network related issue. So to fix this, you might want to check your internet connection. So you can go to your control panel or control bar and simply check for your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or your mobile data is running smoothly. So after you've checked both of those and made sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi and your mobile data your mobile data, you can just go ahead and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, you can go to your settings, go to general, and from here scroll down till you find VPN and device management. Tap on it and make sure you're not connected to any VPN. After that, if you're still facing the problem, tap on transfer or reset iPhone from here. Then finally tap on reset and reset your network settings. After you reset your network settings, connect to your Wi-Fi again and your problem should be fixed. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.